Welcome, my friends. Are you a successful person? No. This video is for you. Success doesn't start in meetings, money, or motivation. Starts the moment you wake up. In this video, I'm going to share 5 powerful morning habits that completely transformed my life, mentally, physically, and professionally. These habits are simple, but they've been the key to my success, and they can work for you too. Habit 1. Wake up with intention, not by accident. For years, I used to hit snooze 3 to 4 times before dragging myself out of bed. I was already starting my day with delay and regret. Now, I wake up with purpose. Not because I have to, but because I've trained my mind to own my morning. How to do it? Set your alarm and get up on the first ring. Avoid your phone for the first 30 minutes. Remind yourself, this morning is my foundation. Success starts when you stop waking up by default and start waking up by design. Habit 2. Write down 3 goals or gratitudes. Within 10 minutes of waking, I write down 3 things I'm grateful for. My top goals for the day. Why? Because your mind needs direction. If you don't give your brain a target, it will spend the day wandering. Gratitude shifts your mindset. Goals give you focus. This habit grounds me and reminds me I am in control of how today goes. Habit 3. 10 minutes of silence or meditation. No phone. No noise. Just stillness. You don't need to sit like a monk. Just close your eyes, breathe, and be present. Why this works? Lowers stress. Improves clarity. Builds emotional strength. Most people start their day in chaos. You can choose calm. And when your mind is calm, you make smarter, stronger decisions. Habit 4. Move your body. This doesn't mean 2 hours at the gym. Just move. A quick workout. A stretch. A walk outside. Physical movement equals mental momentum. When you move your body, you wake up your energy, your confidence, and your discipline. Every successful person I've studied, they move early. Because if you can win the first hour, you win the rest of the day. Habit 5. Feed your mind. The final key, learn something before the world distracts you. Instead of scrolling social media, I listen to podcasts, audiobooks, motivational talks, one chapter of a growth book. Even just 10 minutes a day equals over 60 hours of learning every year. When your morning starts with wisdom, you carry that energy into everything you do. Final thoughts. Small habits, big results. These 5 morning habits didn't just help me wake up early. They helped me get focused, stay consistent, build the mindset I needed for success. You don't need to do all of them perfectly. Start with one. Build from there. Because the truth is, success doesn't come from what you do once in a while. It comes from what you do every single morning. If you found this helpful, like this video, comment below. Which habit will you try first? Subscribe for more life-changing habits, motivation, and real stories.